Are casement windows energy efficient? So I think the first thing we want to tackle in that question is what energy efficiency means. And when you look at the envelope of a building, so the entire exterior assembly, any openings in that, such as windows or doors, are going to be a weak point in the thermal envelope. So a lot of people understand insulation inside the walls. So we have bats that allows heat to be contained where we want it inside the house. You always hear, we're not heating the outdoors. How many of our parents have told us that when we leave a window or door open, right? So it's the same kind of idea when it comes to our windows and our doors. We want them to perform well thermally and create a barrier between the exterior and the interior. So when we heat our home on the inside, especially in the winter, we don't want that to escape through the window and leave to the exterior. Otherwise, we're spending more money, creating more costs to continually heat our home. So the better we can do at retaining that heat inside a building, that refers to a higher energy efficiency. So when we talk about casement windows, we're gonna have, typically now with modern standards, either double glazed or triple glazed windows. And triple glazed windows are always going to outperform double glaze in a energy and thermal capacity. So are they energy efficient? Yes, because what they're doing is creating a stronger thermal barrier with an extra layer of gas that's going to insulate the glass and help keep the exterior elements at bay, whether that be the cold in the winter, or if you're running AC in the summer, it's going to stop heat from coming in at a more rapid rate. So a nice new casement window is going to improve the energy efficiency of your home.